Hello, today I am doing the resultant of two concurrent vectors. This is the parallelogram. Let's take first we have to take AD is equals to BC is equals to vector A. In this figure they have given A, AB is equals to DC is equals to vector B, such as AB and DC. And vector A are AD and BC. AC is equals to vector R. First we have to find that angle ACE from triangle ACE, such as ACE. AC square is equals to AE square plus EC square, right? AE, A and E. From this there are the two angles AD and DE. AC square is equals to AD has two angles AD plus DE whole square plus EC square. We know that EC is equals to vector R. There AC square where such we are write A vector A AD plus DE whole square is equals to, they are in the form of A plus B whole square. So we are written as AD square plus DE square plus 2 AD into DE plus EC square. Look, they are in the form of A plus B whole square. So I written as AD square plus DE square plus 2 AD into DE plus EC square. So we know that we write it as AD. AD is equals to root vector A square. So vector A square. I have square, so I written that place. AD we don't know. AD square, sorry, DE square plus 2. AD means root vector A. So vector A into DE. We don't know DE, so we write it as DE. And EC also we don't know, so EC square we call it as 1, equation 1. Okay, from next we are taking from DCE, from triangle DCE. So we write like this only. DC square is equals to DE square plus EC square. So we want DE. So we take it as DE square is equals to DC square minus EC square. We take this from left side, so it take minus sign. Let's take it as equation 2. Okay. Then they are given the theta here, theta. So we take it as sine theta. What is sine theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite is EC. EC. So opposite as EC by hypotenuse is DC by DC. We know EC. We don't know EC, so we write like that only. DC is equals to vector B. vector b sin theta. From normally we write it as EC is equals to, we want EC, so EC is equals to vectors b sin theta. Okay, next let's take it as equation 3. Next we are taking a sin x cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is DE. DE. Hypotenuse is DC. DE means DE we don't know. DE. By DC we know that through vector B cos theta. Such as we want DE. DE is equals to vector B cos theta. Let's take it as equation 4. From all these, from equation 1, 2, 3, 4, we want resultant of two concurrent vectors. I write here only. From equation 1, in equation 4 and 2. First we write it equation 1, vector A square plus DE square plus 2 vector A into DE plus EC square. Right, it is the equation 1. From this we are putting the equation 2, DE square. So it gives us from this we put this equation 2 plus DC square minus EC square plus 2 vector DE. D we know that DE from equation 2 vector B cos theta, vector B cos theta. EC also we know that B cos theta whole square sorry I am putting like this for confusion. We know DE square also, vector R square is equals to vector A square plus DC we know that vector B square minus EC square also we know that vector B cos theta whole square plus 2 vector, sorry I am writing here, vector B cos theta plus vector B cos theta whole square. Look here, vector B cos theta whole square, vector B cos theta whole square, the plus into minus they will be cancelled. So resultant is equals to vector B plus vector B whole square plus 2 vector into vector B cos theta. Square root cancel means R is equals to root of A plus B e square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. This is the resultant of two concurrent vector.